Today's January 11th, 2020. Saturday. Our neighbor Nicole, her branch fell off the tree over there. It's raining, obviously. Look at that. God, it's cold. Yeah. Why don't we leave the window open, or door open, see how many cats come running in. Oh. There's you said show it, so I said, you said show it, so I guess I'll show it.
I know what, if I get 16, 21,
It's every day it's been raining so far. Hi, little man. You like the rain? Yeah. Well, not too much in it, but I guess he likes the rain. Yeah. I guess you don't want to be filmed. I go to film him, he walks away. Oh, there you are. What you do, little man? He likes being out in the rainwater and just like bathing in it. Yeah. Yeah. This is the Hagerstown, Indiana weather. It's winter time, but it rains here. Here's the side view of there. Oh man, got my camera wet. Oh well. It's like rain proof, I guess, because it didn't even go off. Or not rain proof, but waterproof. I love it when it rains. It's better than snow. Yeah. Look at me. I'm in the water area. I feel like the weatherman. Hey Cody, what's the weather? Wet. It is wet. You know what? I could be a news reporter because they'd say, "Hey Cody, what's it like outside?" I'd say, "Hey retard, get up out of the chair and look for yourself." Oh, I better unlock this part of the door. I said unlock it. Better unlock it. No. Oh. I don't feel like getting yelled at by people. What a way to start the year with every day raining almost.
Yay!
Oh, well, I'd rather it rain than snow.
When it rains, it pours.
And when she sucks, she whores.
Oh, I'll pray for you.
Yeah. These batteries are about dead already.
Serious.
Probably because I put a used one in there or something.
Well, take it out and go get another one.
Yep. There's my mom's friend Judy's house. Judy Pierce. If you make her mad, she'll pierce you. Haha, get it? Stab you. Almost got it.
So take that one battery out and go get a new one.
I will in a minute. I'm too busy. Listen to the rain. Yeah. Hagerstown, Indiana weather is weird. Sometimes when it's winter time, the sun shines and there's no snow in the winter time. In Hagerstown, Indiana. For my deaf people, I might have to yell.
For all the weirdos.
That was beautiful. I know what y'all thinking. You're bored with watching a rain video, but I don't care. You're gonna watch it. Just kidding. If you don't like it, I'm sorry, but I just like to film the weather 'cause it's fun.